2nd, 2021. So if I got a call from a from a guy. He has a condominium, got gas heat, the heat is not working. So we're going over there now. See if we can help this guy out. Condominium. The condominium on the condominium. Yeah, you love condominium. You love condominiums. Oh, I know you do love condominiums. Yeah, Miss Molly. Anyway, I don't think I ever worked for this guy before. We'll try to get you some shots. Steve is working again, Mama. Steve is working again, y'all. Got boiler temperature. No.
And then about 2 days ago, that valve on the top, what is that, a pressure valve?
The relief valve?
Yep, that one was leaking.
Yeah, because that's really high. That's at 30 pounds.
Oh, I think it was at 40 the other day.
And it goes all the way down. So that relief valve is going to have to be changed. I mean, are you the landlord?
I'm the landlord.
Because that tank's probably bad there. We'd have to check it, but most likely that tank's bad. 19, that's not that old. Well, that's when they serviced it. If this tank is bad, I mean, it looks like somebody's done some work here on this thing recently.
I mean, I purchased the unit in 2019.
It doesn't look like maybe the pilot's out. Yeah, it looks like the pilot might be out. You got gas in the house?
Yes.
Alright. Thing is, I can get the pilot lit, but as soon as we light it up, you know, what's going to happen is, if that tank is bad, it's going to blow the relief valve and it's going right outside. I don't know where these are going. Oh, they're just going right here. Is there any way I could drain any water into that toilet, I guess, huh? Over there?
Yes.
Alright, let me get my tools and do what I gotta do here, but you got a couple of issues. I mean, I can get the heat to work, but as far as it, you know, blowing the relief valve, that's not good. That pressure's too high there. Does that make sense to you?
Oh, yeah. Could it be,
when you heat water, it has to expand, right? And if this tank is bad...
And is it normal to throw out rusty water from the top, or is that...
Well, that's this high vent. This high vent, I could change that at the same time. All right, let me get what I need. You ever use the toilet shitter over there? No.
No, no.
Check that tank.
Yeah, I think this is the only side that has it.
It's the only one that's got it?
Yep.
It's all overflowing. Well, it might not be reading all 100%. We'll check it.
And how often should the pipe be drained?
You hear air in the pipes? Yeah, gauge isn't accurate. Well, when you're having issues with it, I mean, that's when you address it, right?
Oh, just wondering if there's any that can be done beforehand.
Oh, that's fine. Might just have a bad feeder there, maybe. That's fine. We got 11 pounds there. Have you played around with anything over here with this lever or anything?
No.
You haven't?
No.
Well, I might as well change this high vent while I'm here too, right? You said you wanted it changed?
Alright. And what do you think causes the pressure to build up like that?
Well, usually it's a bad expansion tank, or it could be a bad feeder. The feeder may not be set right. We'll see what, I know our pressure gauge was off, so we're just purging it now. Let's get it up and running and see what it does, okay? This thing here might not have been shutting off, or someone might have been playing around with it. You said no?
Somebody might have been playing around with it because people have access to it.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what.
Let's give it a good purge, and then we'll get it back up and running and see what happens, okay? Only got one zone here.
Yeah, it's a fairly small unit. It's only 800.
Do you hear any air in the pipes? No. 800, that's enough. I mean, it's big enough for you, no?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll change the thermocouple. We'll get that up and running, and then we'll see what happens. What did gauge say? You're right about 20 there. That should be fine. So you might have a bad. Let's change the thermocouple. That control's kind of hot. Let's check the pilot. See what's going on with that. You got gas in the house, you said?
Yes. Yeah, I was.
I've had people not pay their bills that call me for no heat. Well, they got no gas. The gas was shut off, you know? I've seen all kinds of stuff. Oh no. Jeez, of course, the must have much.
And does it matter how high I turn up the heat? So let's say it's.
Oh no, that shouldn't affect that at all, no.
Okay. Yeah, the other day it was 68, so I turned it up to 74.
No, that's not going to affect nothing. Where'd you get my number?
I found you off of Google.
Whoa, holy shit. Wow, look at that flame. Holy shit. I'll have to adjust it down. No wonder why you're cooking the shit out of it, guy.
It's up to 80 right now.
No, the pilot. Look how high the pilot is.
Oh.
Can you see that? Can you see how high that is?
Oh,
I could adjust it though, right here. I could turn it down. It's way too high. Let me turn it down. See how high that pilot is? I'm gonna turn it down. That's way too high. You're using a lot of gas.
yeah.
Yeah, I could cut it down as I... Also, that's better. That's ridiculous. You seen how high? Could you have seen how high that was, or you didn't see it?
No, I didn't see it.
That's what you're doing. You're cooking the thermocouples. All right, let's put this thing back together. Alright, we'll turn on the gas valve and see if it fires. Alright, so our gauge is around 20 pounds. As it heats up, it might go up a little bit, but should be okay. Colin, you didn't play around with nothing on this, did you?
No, I didn't.
So we're holding about, probably about 15, because that gauge doesn't read accurate. It's starting to heat up. It's coming back warm now. I put a new high vent. Circulator's working. We lowered the pilot down. Place thermocouple, purge zones, expansion tank okay. New high vent. Gonna be alright with the relief. Doesn't seem to be a problem. Somebody might have come over here and played with this high vent, this purge valve. Tighten this up.
Wait, which one?
Somebody come over and lift this lever up. You'd put more pressure in the system than, you know, and then that would start blowing the relief valve. Because the pressure seems to be holding okay. If that gets to 30, the relief valve's going to open. Hello there, Miss Molly. The guy gave me an extra 50. Yeah, he gave me an extra 50. Yeah, oh yeah, beer money, he said. Yeah, he gave me an extra 50. Give me an extra 50.